topic that single sex education or the co-education, but today we favor about the single sex education. Why?
Gender basis, and it's very important for us to know how to treat a boy and a boy is really important to learn.
Very natural that opposite gender can attract with each other.
Single sex education, because they can be sexually assaulted by teachers. So I just want
Important thing we need to do is that about study, we need to inculcate such habits in our life to make ourselves better. And coming to the point of same-sex education, it's really important to develop the same sex in the individuals. Like, let's take example.
Having separate schools for boys and girls is not a privacy. I think it's a having a single education, having a co-education with the boys and girls will be the good mechanism.
So today we are here for the debate session, and the topic is co-education versus single sex education. This team is for co-education, this team is in the favor of single sex education. So here first we will listen from this side.
Okay, so thank you for giving me chance to speak about the topic that single sex education or the co-education, but today we favor about the single sex education. Why it is good? For if I talk about the safety purpose of any girls, and right now if we are living in Bihar, and here what happened, girls are not secure as well as safe in the outside. So it is, and right now we have lots of crime happened in the school, that we found that in the school it is happening with the teacher. They are doing commit such type of mistake, as well as they're doing unusual thing with the girls. That's why I think the single sex education is better than the co-education right now.
Okay, from this side. Keep it short.
Okay, so as far as co-education is concerned, so I think it is a very good system, because it is the method through which we can break the stereotype in society, that gender biasness that we have in a patriarchal society. So it is a good method to break the stereotypes. Second thing is that it is also help us to understand the feeling of girls, and some menstrual problems of girls and biological cycle of girls. So being a boy, we from the school age we started understanding the girls problem, so we become more sensitive, we become more aware about the girls problem, and then it also helps in empowering women and girls at a school level, at a society level. So I think it is very good system to have.
Okay.
Look, it's not all about the stereotype. If we talk about the same gender education, so it's why we are going to school and colleges to study, and for study you need focus. And the basic thing in a co-education is people get distracted. It's very natural that opposite gender can attract with each other, but if you have to study hard, if you want to do something in your future, if you want to become something in your future, so you have to focus on your study. And in co-education there is a chance that you get distracted with your classmate or college mate, and it will not only about the distraction. If there is some connection will be made, so it will take you lots of time. Means on mobile you will think that we are going to talk only 2 or 3 minutes, but when you see that wall watch, you feel that there is a 1 hour and 2 hour spent just like that. So it's a very dangerous thing, you can say. Same gender education is very good. And
okay, so as one of our opponent speakers said that we should promote single sex education, because the reason that he gave was in single sex, what happens in co-ed school, like why we should promote single sex school, because in single sex school, if girls are allowed to go, there's a chance that they can be sexually assaulted by teachers. So I just want to ask him this question, that in ancient time, women and girls didn't have the right to get education. They don't used to go to school. At that time, like during that time as well, they have been exploited sexually. So I think this couldn't fix the problem. Yes, I'm telling against you what he said. And as one of our speakers said that in order to achieve our dreams, we should be focused. And girls are something that distract boys. So I just want to ask him. There are many things. There are many distraction that comes, in the path of us achieving your goals. It's not just girls. It's your cell phone. And someone said that this. I don't know who said this, but like when you want something as bad as you want air to breathe, you find a way to get there, else you find an excuse to procrastinate. So these are just excuses that you give to yourself if you're not able to do something.
Okay, next one.
That my
Okay, for me, I think that it's a very fallacious topic, not topic, but concern raised by that it has been the teachers assault the children, and it is the responsibility of the student to make the things in the world all right. So I don't agree with this point. The reason is that we as a student, the first important thing we need to do is that about study. We need to inculcate such habits in our life to make ourselves better. And coming to the point of same-sex education, it's really important to develop the same sex in the individuals. Like let's take example of in the recent times, we can try to understand that how many women, like girls don't know the differentiation between good touch and bad touch, and these things are not taught in school because there are too many boys in the class. Such important concepts like reproduction and different biological structure that the basic women are having are not even taught properly in school because there is too much embarrassment, and this is the reality in the today as well. Even if you say that I have the best teacher, we have the best faculty, but what about the ambience? Because some of the things in the world are not to be taught in public, especially in Indian society. As we said that we have modernized, we have become more progressive, but we still need to understand that there is basic fundamental right of every individual to get some privacy, and there are some privacy related topics that we need to understand first, then to decide later. Thank you.
Okay, any counterpoint to this from this side? Well,
Okay, so whatever he has mentioned, I don't agree with this fact because he talked about privacy. So yes, fundamental right, privacy comes under the fundamental right, but having separate schools for boys and girls is not a privacy. I think it's having a single education, having a co-education with the boys and girls will be the good mechanism to we always often heard about rape. So why rape happens? Because of boys don't understand the girls girls feeling and girls clothing and girls touch. That's why they try to assault girls and all that. So since if the boys will understand since schooling, so they will have some sensitive things in his mind, so that he will not do the things in future. So I think it's not about privacy, it's about sensitiveness, it's about
sensitivity.
Same gender education is best because in college I see there no any types of distractions are available, no any types of bothering, because many places I saw when co-education, then everyone distracted. And
Okay. This side?
Okay, as we know, school is a basic place where we learn how to treat each other, and if we study together, like in a co-education, we know how to treat each other, like the gender I'm talking on the gender basis, and it's very important for us to know how to treat a boy, and a boy is really important to learn how to treat a girl, and we learn it from in our school. And we also, as a girl, we also feel that there are some conception of boys, and we hear it from boys, so it's important for
Okay, so it was a healthy debate. Both the teams give their opinion about the topic. So that's all for the today.